The problem is that AI is a feature, not a product. Hello, catholiccontriversy here, and I've been exposed to a lot more AI products, if you will, and AI seems to be making a little bit more of a development and stuff or whatever, and my opinions really haven't changed too much on the whole generative AI thing as to its full-on functionality and utility. It's like I still think that in a lot of cases AI is just over-promising and it's kind of dumb and isn't able to really do the kind of things that we need it to do. But the thing is that it's not so much the technology itself, but I think it's more the people that are doing it. Because it's like, okay, I recognize there are some very good things that it can do in like industrial settings, like the whole medical advancements and stuff, and like it could, if they can get to a point where it can run data much quicker and stuff, then that's great. That'd be able to good, and it can do that, and all on paper it should be able to do that. And then it's like, okay, AI, it's when people are making disposable content, it helps with like making their title cards and stuff, because it's like two channels that I kind of follow occasionally, Red Dawn Daily and Clownfish TV, both of them, they're news commentary channels. They put out a bunch of videos, and for their icon card things that they do for the video, they use AI, because it's like, okay, if they're going to be doing like a major video and like actually put a whole lot of effort into it, then yeah, make your own title cards. But if you're basically making something that's kind of disposable, for lack of a better word, then yeah, just it's a lot cheaper and easier to use AI. You don't have to commission someone like $30 or whatever to make you one title card each. Like the end card that's on the Pokematic videos, that was commissioned by an artist as part of a Patreon reward. So it's like, yeah, that's like real art, but it's used every single video. But it's like, if you just need to make a thing where it's like, okay, now I'm just going to do a quick little thing about Trump on Elon fighting, so I'm just going to have AI say, hey, AI, make me a picture of Trump and Elon fighting. It's like, okay, there's that, and you're only going to be using it once. And it's like the same thing I'm going to be doing with this video, is that I'm going to ask AI to make me a thing that's relevant to that. It's like, because I'm only going to use it once, and I know I'm not going to make any money off of it. So it's like, it's not worth my effort and time and money to pay someone or try to make it myself, when I could just say, okay, Bing AI, make me an image. But anyway, that's really the thing, though, that it comes down to, is that's like, AI is something that can kind of be useful. You can kind of mix it in with some stuff, but the problem is that so many companies I see where they're like, okay, we're making you this thing that you don't really need. It's like, okay, we're gonna make you a AI product that answers your emails for you, and it's kind of like, who is having so many emails that they need to have an AI secretary? Oh, well, we're using AI in order to make these chatbots so that you can talk with your favorite cartoon character, and do some other things, if you know what I mean. It's like, okay, who is that lonely that they need that product? It's like, oh, get this product that's AI and it'll transcribe your videos for you. It's like, okay, who needs to buy something just for that? It's like, but then as I think about it a little bit more, it's like, those aren't products, those are features on a product. Because, like, let's look at some other, like, AI developments that have happened. So, just like Siri. Siri is basically an AI. It's an AI assistant sort of deal. It can search the web for you. It can make appointments. It can make calls or dial the phone for you. But that's the thing, is that it is an app. It is a feature on Apple's iPhone. But people aren't getting the iPhone because they get Siri. They're getting the iPhone because they want the iCloud and Apple's technical service and the Apple UI and the Apple App Store and all the things that Apple offers. If Apple were to just sell the Siri device, okay, Apple might not be that great of an example because I know iCultists that would buy it, but it wouldn't be that. It'd just be like this weird little thing that iCult users have, but it wouldn't be something that everyone was scrambling to get. Let's assume Apple didn't have the iCult. If they just released the Siri device, where what it can do is, well, Siri can surf the web. Siri can make your calendar appointments. Siri can send video calls to other Siri device users. It's like, it'd be way too limited. It'd be way too niche. And it's like, okay, there'd be like some people that'd be interested in it, but the majority of the population would be like, why do I want this? Why do I need this? Why would I spend my money on that when I can just do it myself on the device I already have? But it's like when comparing devices, it's like, okay, do I get the Apple, do I get the iPhone, or do I get the Android phone? Well, Apple does have this Siri thing, and that's a feature, that's a good benefit. Maybe I'll get the iPhone. It's not, okay, do I get the iPhone? Do I get the Android? Or do I get the Siri device? And that's where we're at right now. It's the Siri device. Another example is like with video games, where, okay, you're playing against computer players. Those are AI players. But the thing is that there's no video game that just says, our game has AI players. You can play with 100 different people. And it doesn't tell you about what the game is. Because it's like, okay, yeah, I can play with 100 different people, but what do we play? Like, are we playing war? Are we playing cops and robbers? Are we playing criminal enterprise? Are we playing race car drivers? Are we playing tag? What are we playing? And the game developer is just like, that's up for you to decide, but you can use them to play. But then you got to make your own game. And it's like that. Okay, there's some utility to that, because there are games that kind of fall that way, but the thing is that it's based on people who make the games. Like, the reason that like Roblox is so big is because people actually make games for Roblox. At least I think that's kind of what it is. I played Roblox a little bit, like once. I didn't really get it because it was like, again, when I was using it, it was like, okay, you can make your own game. It's like, I don't want to make my own game. I would just want to play a game. So that's the thing, is that it's like, game companies don't say, oh, well, we have all these AI players. No, you're playing Battlefield. You're out fighting the stormtroopers and the droid army, and you don't have to have 100 people online in order to do it. You can also play against AI players who are also shooting at you and stuff. So it's like that's what it is. But the thing is that, like, so many AI products now are features without a product. like I could see like AI chatbots being very useful in video games so that you don't have NPCs that have like the same tired dialogue trees, and it can actually be kind of a little bit more immersive and whatnot. It's like that's actually pretty cool. That's a decent feature of like generative AI, if you will. But no one's doing that. And they're just selling the ability to talk to characters without giving you a reason for why you would want to talk to the characters. But if you're in a video game, it's like, and you gotta like talk to different people, it's like, then okay, it's not just go to them, oh, they're saying the same thing, oh, they're saying the same thing, oh, they're saying the same thing, oh, now the dialogue has changed, so now something's different. Different part of the story beat. It would actually make things more immersive, but that's the thing, is that it needs to have like the reason to be the immersive. And like it, when it comes down to where we are right now with AI, is that we're kind of in a bit of a strange situation with these companies misunderstanding the whole gold rush analogy. Because there's the whole saying of, in order to get rich in a gold rush, don't go out panning for gold, sell pickaxes and shovels. Because most people are not going to find the gold. Most people are going to turn up empty-handed. But they need to buy the tools in order to do the gold rush. And the person that's selling the tools for the gold rush are going to be making the money. And I'd wager that a lot of these companies think that they are selling tools to the prospectors. But, like with another saying, you think you're the Wolf of Wall Street, but you're not. You're the guy the Wolf of Wall Street is scamming. These companies, they think that they're the ones selling the tools to the prospectors. But the problem is that they're the prospectors who are buying the tools from, like, the big companies. Because the thing is that a lot of people don't have a lot of use for just straight AI products. They could benefit from AI features on a product, potentially, depending on how it's utilized. But no one just has a use for, this product is AI. That's just what the product is. So, like, that's where it is with AI, is that these companies think that they have more utility and necessity than they really do. Because, hey, AI, it's been a dream since like the 1950s or whenever sci-fi really started, with all the robot assistants. But the thing is that the robot assistants actually could do things. It wasn't of, oh, hey, this robot assistant can kind of understand language. You tell it what to do, but you need to figure out how you can use it. It's, no, this robot assistant can do all these things pre-programmed, and we're not there yet. Okay, well, this has been Catholic Controversy signing off, and may God bless you.